Rainy Weather by Sally Lee. Drip, drop, gray clouds fill the sky. Rain falls from the clouds. The ground is wet. It is rainy today. We need rain. All living things need water. Rain brings water for plants and animals. Rain gives us water to drink. We wash in it, we play in it. Water, what makes rain? The sun's rays heat water. The water evaporates. Puddles disappear. The water becomes vapor. The air is cold up high. The water vapor turns into tiny drops. We see them as clouds. Tiny water drops join together. They get heavy. The bigger drops fall to earth as rain. Clouds help forecast the weather. White, puffy clouds mean no rain. Low gray clouds bring rain. Dark clouds can bring storms. Have fun. Put on your rain boots. Jump in puddles. Splash,